Sometimes we think that the only way to wellness is medication and treatments that we provide as physicians, but wellness goes beyond that. It goes through the community, through activities that bring joy to patients and families, to engaging the community to understand what we do here. And Washington Trust is so integral to all of these aspects, and we're very thankful for their support.
When I spend time at Hasbro Hospital, I really observe two things. One is the absolute incredible courage that the kids, many of whom are very ill, display. I also, though, see the anguish on the part of the parents. And one of the things that's been very, very impressive to me is not only how the staff supports the children, but particularly how they support the parents. And sometimes that's with programs, but more than anything, it's just the obvious concern and care that people have for the parents and what they're going through.
Thank you, Washington Trust. I was a patient at Hasbro Children's Hospital, and I truly appreciate what you do for the hospital itself, and thank you. Thank you very much.
Washington Trust.
I think something that's very important about Washington Trust, when they don't just talk about being a good corporate citizen and giving back to the community, they do it. Senior management sets a wonderful example for all the other employees in the organization, and they encourage people to join boards, to serve as a volunteer in any capacity, and to try to improve the quality of life for all Rhode Islanders.
Washington Trust is proud to support Hasbro Children's Hospital.
I've been involved with the hospital for more than 25 years. I've been on and off the board of the Rhode Island Hospital. I'm currently on the board of the Rhode Island Hospital Foundation and on the Lifespan Finance Committee. The very beginnings of my involvement really had to do with my great friend Larry Orban, who's the chairman of the board of Lifespan, and he and I talked about it. He asked me if I would get involved initially, and over time just became more and more involved. I think in a lot of ways I've played off his real passion, not only for the hospital, but particularly for the kids.
Thanks, Washington Trust, for caring for the kids at Hasbro.
The volunteers from Washington Trust are involved at all levels here at Hasbro. They can be involved in our picnics, in our balls, such as the Hasbro Ball, or at the Radiothon, which is very important to us, and also at higher levels on our boards, for example. So their expertise is needed at all levels.
I want to give a big thank you to our partners at Washington Trust for all that they've done for the children at Hasbro Children's Hospital.
Washington Trust is not new to being a good corporate citizen and encouraging its employees to try to make the community a better community for everyone. And that goes back to its founding in 1800. It's genetic.
I think anytime you're honored like this, it's humbling and gratifying. This is not an award for me. No one does any of this on their own. I am really grateful and feel great for our employees, who I really feel as though I'm accepting this for them. You just can't do it all yourself, and without their support and their feeling that these things are important, these are some of the things that I feel the best about.
Thank you, Washington Trust, for all you do for Rhode Island Hospital and Hasbro Children's Hospital.
We are so grateful that Washington Trust has been our partner for the past 20 years, supporting us in everything we do and being one of our best connections to the community for the infants and children we take care of.
I'm in the unique position of having been an employee of Washington Trust and now a client of Washington Trust, and serving on the Lifespan Board and serving as chairman of the Miriam Hospital Foundation. And I feel that this recognition of Washington Trust is so well deserved, and I congratulate everyone at Washington Trust.
It's no surprise that Washington Trust is this year's corporate champion. These individuals have worked so hard alongside us to help our community, to help our patients and families, and we're proud and excited to honor them.